Hi everybody, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Here I'm going to talk about the instructions for the academic version, the writing module of Task 1. To make this easier, let's look at an example question. And this question you can download from IELTS.org. It is an official IELTS Task 1 question for the academic version of the test. I'll put a link in the description if you want to download it fully. Now, the first thing to note is that there are standard instructions that apply to every single Task 1. Let's look at these first. The first instruction is about the time. You should spend 20 minutes on this task. And then the second instruction is write at least 150 words. Both these instructions are important. 20 minutes is about right, and in fact 20 minutes is not a lot of time to write some of these answers. In general, I would say that you might need about 25, even 30 minutes to write a good answer. So you should consider allowing a little bit more than 20 minutes. And that extra time, of course, you need to take from the time you use to write Task 2. I'll talk about Task 2 in a different video. So bear in mind that 20 minutes is the minimum. Now, for the word count, it's also worth noting that 150 words is the minimum suggestion. I'll say that again because it's important. It is the minimum word count for your writing. In fact, I would suggest to you that if you want to get a score of 7 or 8 in Task 1 writing, you need to be looking at 200 to 250 words. Probably about 250 words, actually. That's because these graphs contain a lot of information, and the more information you describe, the higher your score is going to be in Task 1. Certainly, if you write less than 150 words, you are at risk of getting a penalty. So never ever go under 150 words. If you're worried about the timing and the word count, the best thing to do is to practice. Set yourself up, get a Task 1 question, time yourself writing for 20 minutes, and see how many words you do write in that 20 minutes. That will give you an idea as to whether you need to improve your writing speed or whether you are already in the kind of target numbers of writing 200 plus words in 20 or 25 minutes. So do a test yourself to see how you fit into those instructions. The second part of the Task 1 instructions are topic related. So we have two types of topic related instructions here. The first ones are in the box. And this is where you are told the topic. In this example, we have radio and television viewers. The graph shows radio and television audiences throughout the day in 1992. So that is your description of the topic. And then, of course, you have the main point of the Task 1, which is the graph itself. And obviously, that kind of graph or chart is going to change for every single Task 1 test. Now, as a general rule, you've got 4 main types of charts. You have the line graph, which you can see here. There are pie charts, bar graphs, and tables. These 4 make up 85% of Task 1 questions in IELTS. The other 15% are maps and process diagrams of how things happen. That is what your task 1 in the academic version looks like. Watch out for more videos on this channel to show you exactly how to answer the task 1 writing question for the academic version of IELTS. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel to get more important advice on how to increase your score in IELTS. IELTS Breakthrough helps people get a high score in IELTS for academic, general training and life skills. You can also check out the IELTSBreakthrough.org study zone, where you can get all of the training for the academic version of IELTS all in one place, with important tips and strategies that are guaranteed to help you improve your score. Check it out in the link below. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.